Okay, here we are. The rain has arrived. As you can see here, it's really raining here in San Jose, California, and I mean, it's really coming down. It's coming down, as you can see here. Here, let's go by a minute on this. This is over the Santa Cruz. This is over the Santa Cruz Hills. Santa Cruz, I mean, it's coming down in buckets. I'm at 50 seconds, 54, 55. Let's stop at a minute. Okay, new video has started. As you can see here, man, this rain has really begun here. San Jose, I mean, the clouds have thickened up. And wow, it's really getting windy now. Looks like there might be a little downed tree over here. Right over here in that yard over here. About like 3-4 houses away from here. Yeah, I mean, it really looks nasty out here. Wow. It does. It looks really nasty. Look here. Nasty. It's my room, no more cord, but eventually I'll have another cord running through there somehow. Okay, let's stop.